Hey, so if you're a student in college or high school, then you may be familiar with the Moodle LMS. And the cool thing is that you can import your assignments and school stuff over from Moodle to the Wick app. This way, you can have all of your school stuff and your external non-school events all in one single calendar, one single source of truth. So you just go here to your Moodle landing page in browser on either desktop or mobile, press the calendar button, then click the export calendar button, and press export. Select all events or whatever you prefer, then select recent or whatever time frame you prefer, and press get calendar URL and just copy it over. And once you've got that link copied, you can go back to the Wick app, just press the settings button here, press the add button right under the assignment feed section, and just input the link that you just copied. And once you've synced up, you'll see here in the task section that all of your assignments have successfully imported over. You can even view those tasks grouped up by due date priority or by class. And I see here that this OChem task is quite important, so I'll add a priority star next to it so that I won't forget about this task. Next up, if I head over to the plan section, I can even drag all of those unscheduled tasks into my calendar so that I now know exactly when to work on them so I don't fall behind. And now, when I go to the Home tab, I see all of my priorities for today neatly and easily laid out for me to see, and Wick will also text me via SMS when it's time to lock in on these tasks. So yeah, if it's overwhelming to juggle Moodle and all of your other adjacent tools and calendars, then be sure to sync your Moodle LMS stuff with Wick, and Wick will become the single place where Moodle assignments and all of your other tasks and events from other areas of your life all coexist. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe for more tips on how to get the most out of Wick. Thank you.